Hello everyone, I'm Nicola, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to deploy your SaaS without any cost. So, if you have an idea in your mind and you want to turn that idea into something real, something that actual people can use it, then you can do it without spending a single dollar. It costs you around zero on infrastructure. I'm not talking about just building it on your local machine and saying, yeah, it works. I'm talking about taking your actual application, putting it on the internet, giving it a real URL, connecting your front end, back end, and database, and everything you need behind it. Letting a real user open it, and the interesting part is you don't need a big budget to start. You can also start with zero. What do you mean by that? You don't need to pay anything. If you have idea, wait, let me change it. If you have idea and you want to turn it a SaaS, oh my god, SaaS, and you think I can build it, but it cost me some money. Or if I want to deliver it to the real user, so maybe it cost me around some dollars, some $100, $200, and it is mixed. You don't need at a starting point a $200. You can just deploy it with $0 because every SaaS, wait, let me, every SaaS at the starting phase, they don't have 100 million users, even 100 users. They have only one users, and that is you actually. And after promoting your SaaS, maybe you will get 100 users per day. 100 users per day. Okay. And you think I need to invest $200 per month for 100 users. That's very wrong. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to deploy your application softwares without any cost. Let me show you. I have prepared a diagram for you. Okay, let me increase the. Okay, now it is visible for everyone. Okay, let me. The topic is how to deploy your SaaS for free. In every SaaS, wait, let me open. In every SaaS, there is front end. Front end is like UI parts that you can see, you can touch with your mouse, you can use it. Okay, the front end part, and the main logic is backend, where your payment integration, your authentication, your security, your rollback is happening inside backend. The actual logic is here. And the storage part, where your videos, where your image, where is your resources, where is your document is stored. You need a storage that not being called a Google Drive. It means a real storage. You can use it in your application. And the last part is database for storing your data. That's like a real user data. If you have 100 users, so you have 100 users data where you have to store. That's called a database. Okay. So I am going to tell you about if you build front end, back end database, and you have some data want to store, so it will cost you around zero $0 per month, because in every SaaS at their starting point they don't have lots of users. Even I have one platform which I have built a month ago. This one, gigantic. Here I am uploading courses. You can see great shorthand basic courses. And even I have integrated payment integration. And I have stored multiple videos. You can see here chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. These are unlocked videos. You have to pay first, and these are free videos. You can watch it like see. And these videos are storing in a storage somewhere. So I don't even invest single money in this platform. I just invest my entire coding journey. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, if you have front end that you have built and you just push your code to GitHub. Okay, you know about GitHub? Yeah. Sorry. GitHub. Okay. GitHub is the main source. You have code front end and you have deployed it to the GitHub. Okay. So, and you want to deploy your front end. There are many options where you can deploy your front end. You want to see my version? I have deployed at least 20 to 25 applications and all are running right now. See, there are many applications which I deployed. You can see it here. This is many more. And even I have deployed my client website there and it's running very smooth. So you can deploy your front end in Vercel, Netlify, GitHub Pages, Cloudflare for free. Go and explore about Vercel, Netlify, GitHub, and Cloudflare workers. Okay, and about backend, if you want to deploy your backend, like I have deployed my backend here, Render, Render. Okay, Render is a platform where you can deploy your backend code. Okay, you can deploy your Node.js backend code, you can deploy your Java backend code, you can deploy your Python through Docker. You can deploy, build your backend image and deploy to the Docker hub, and then you can connect directly into Render. Okay, and also you can use Koyeb, you can use Railway. These all are free, not for forever, but free for 100 users. Okay, per week. And after that, if you have 100 users and some users, at least 10 users, can pay, so you can use that money to buy your real servers for better users, for more users. So this is directly proportional. Like you have some users, so use free trial. If you have many users, also paid users, so you can buy real servers. Don't be on free trial because there is many issues on free trial. Maybe at some point you have 1,000 users per day, or maybe your server is lagging, so it caused some issue. Okay, and now the third part is storage. If you want to use some storage, you can use Cloudflare R2. It will give you 10 GBs of data. You can use it for free. And AWS 3, it can give you free trial and you can use it. And if you want to use more storage, so you have to pay. So in Cloudflare storage R2, you can use 10 GB of data for free. In AWS 3, you can use a free trial that is enough for your SaaS. Okay. And the fourth part is database, where you want to store your database. Right now, for this application, I am using TiDB storage because I use MySQL database for this application, and TiDB supports MySQL very best with Prisma. Okay, or maybe you can use directly MySQL. And I have deployed my blog application, which is built with Prisma, sorry, PostgreSQL with Prisma, and I have deployed that in Neon database. Okay, and Neon can give you 500 MBs of storage. That is enough. And TiDB can give you 5 GBs of data, sorry, 5 GBs of storage for databases. That is more enough. So you don't need to think too much where to deploy, how to deploy, and for free. If you want to watch videos, if you want any help how to deploy, then comment me. I can make a video for that. Right now, I just explained you can deploy your SaaS application, SaaS software for free. And I have show you some platform where you can do it. Okay? So, bye bye.